G'day and welcome to the channel. It's a Saturday and here we are at the airfield. A bit misty. It's a misty autumn morning. No wind. What's this? We have a visitor to the airfield. Looks like a yak. Let's go and have a closer look at this.
It's a Nanchang.
Yeah, the pilot has arrived and Ron has informed me. I was mistaken. It's not a yak. What is it, Ron?
It's a Nanchang, I think. A Nanchang.
Nanchang.
Yeah.
It's Chinese. You know it's not a yak because if you look,
Yeah.
the wing has got dihedral. It's got a centre section that is flat.
And it's named after that famous Chinaman Mao.
Yeah, notice it's got a flat section and it's got dihedral. The yaks don't have that. They're a straight wing. So, yeah, and he's opened the louvers on the... Oh, no, he hasn't. Has he? Yeah. And down here we've got a Cessna 150.
It's a Nanchang CJ-6.
Nanchang CJ-6.
Yeah.
So now this is,
He's going to do a downwind takeoff.
he's got 20 strands of Pirelli in there, but he's left his little hand-operated drill at home, so he's having to wind the rubber by hand. He already wound it through about 10 turns before, didn't he, Ron?
20. Short break in the models to aircraft, about to take off, and then closer zero. Who's that cleaning up?
Don't know. So here we go, the man's getting in the plane.
And the 150's going downwind takeoff.
Downwind takeoff's perfectly good today, Ron.
Traffic equals Juliet, flying up and rolling. 13.
Rolling. Keep them doggies rolling.
Keep them doggies rolling.
Roll high through wind and rain and weather, hell bent for leather. I know, especially downwind. Will it get off the ground, Ron? It's taken an awfully bloody long time. Yeah, there he goes.
Downwind.
Jeez.
Well,
Yeah, I told you she's on capacity, mate.
He's marginal there.
He is not very, not exactly a traumatic rate of climb, is it? Look at that. It's terrible.
That's right, he's off.
Now, would you like to run over with a chicken stick and give that proper flick, Ron?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I got my electric start.
Oh, electric start, you'll be good. Here we go, flywheel spinning up.
Clear. Yeah.
Whoa, a bit of smoke, eh? Woo!
That's it.
Yep. I thought it'd fly higher than that, Ron.
Yeah.
And longer.
Yeah.
Ooh. You might need that chicken stick, Ron.
He's yelling out clear.
It's not very clear, it's full of smoke.
You've got another battery.
Yeah. Got your jumper leads with you, Ron?
Yeah.
Alright, turned it all off. He's going to walk. Okay, hand crank again. Get some fuel on those cylinders, I suppose. Oh, she doesn't want to start. I wonder how big the battery is in these things. Having some radio problems, Ron. I think he's checking the prop fit. Look right, look left, look right again. He's going to do an into the wind takeoff, Ron.
Yeah.
Does he know how bumpy it is over there?
Quite high, goes up and
Yeah.
down, no. Normally that bit goes down. Only got one headlight.